Your first audition, that was the video. It's your first impression.
Sanibonani Mpumalanga. My name is Lungile Fakude. I am 24 years old, ekhaya game Mshata. I am representing the Mbombela municipality in the Enhlanzeni district. I advocate for substance abuse and mental health. Thank you.
I am an occupational therapist working in a psychiatric hospital. I am also working towards my postgraduate diploma in public health. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what is binge drinking? It is an act of consuming a lot of alcohol in a short period of time. For men, this is normally defined as having 5 or more drinks in a short space of time. For women, it is 4 or more in the same time period. Now, you must be wondering, what are the effects of binge drinking? It can cause detrimental impact to your relationship with your loved ones as well as your friends. Binge drinking can also cause aggressiveness and antisocial behavior. Now, you don't want to lose your family because of alcohol. Thank you.
So your judge, Lungile, would be the lovely Dumi Mjuli.
How is the economy of South Africa affected by the war between Russia and Ukraine?
Let's give her a moment, ladies and gentlemen.
We have seen a great increase with many necessities that we use in our everyday life ever since there's been a war in Ukraine. And these include petrol, which is very essential to everyday life, as well as food prices. Wars in different countries don't only affect them, but also the other countries in which they are in relations with. Thank you.
It is that time, ladies and gentlemen, to announce to you, bring you MER board, Mpumalanga province. Miss Mpumalanga 2022 is Lungile Fakude. The queen of the rising sun, the therapist in profession, Lungile Fakude. I would like the MEC to hand over the keys of your brand new car. Thank you. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. As Mzimari production, we appreciate your support. Let's do it again next year. Thank you.
Grind visuals. #Memories in Motion.